Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed LinkedIn page events into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and from here, if you haven't signed up yet, just click this sign up button in the top right corner of your screen, and if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And from here, to go to the creation of widget page, just click this create widget button. If you click this, it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. And from here, we're going to select our widget type. And that type is LinkedIn page events. And it says here that we have to paste the link of our LinkedIn page events. So what is our LinkedIn page events? And we are going to use this company, Imagine Growth Institute, and their events. So what is the page events? So this is the LinkedIn page events that you have to paste. You can copy this, or you can copy the whole URL. And if you paste this here, it will always convert it into the LinkedIn page events. And now we're going to click next. And here we are. It says here that the LinkedIn page events is currently syncing up, but typically it is only take like 5 to 15 minutes. And if you have encountered any problem, just click this button in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open up the SociableKIT support, and you can ask any question and we will surely help. And now, all we have to do now is wait for the page to sync up, and I'll get back to you guys. And we are back. As you can see, our page events has currently synced up. Now, all we have to do now is customize it and moderate it. To the left side of your screen, you can see these different kinds of tab, and each tab has its own features that customizes your feed, and I'm going to highlight some of them. First, we're going to the themes tab. In here, you have these different kinds of theme, and each theme has its own color combination. So for example, this Maayos theme, if I click this, as you can see, this color combination, if I click yes, this color combination should be applied into our LinkedIn page events feed. And as you can see, it is now the same color as the Maayos theme color combination. Now moving on into the feed tab, here you can change the default view of your feed. You can change it into masonry, grid, carousel, or in month. So we're going to click this masonry, or we can click this carousel if you want, but I'm going to select masonry. And we can also limit the event count if you have like multiple events in your LinkedIn page. If not, it is okay just how many that you like. Currently we only have 2 in our example. Now moving on, we have to save changes to change it into the masonry view, and then now as you can see, it is in masonry view. Now moving on into the item tab. In here you have these different kinds of checkboxes. So each checkboxes, you can show or hide the event image, the full image, you can show the event title, the day, text, and so on. Now moving on into the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the perfect theme in the themes tab that you like or that fits your website or your business, you can manually change it in here. You can change the background color, you can change the font color, the event background color, the title font color, and so on. Moving on into the fonts tab. In here you can change the font family. So for example, we have in Roboto, we can change it into Century Gothic. So if I click save changes, this should change from Roboto font family into Century Gothic. And as you can see, it is now changed from Roboto to Century Gothic. Now last is the CSS tab. You can put the custom CSS that you like. So if you have in mind already a custom CSS that you want to apply into your feed, you can put it here. Now if you are done, we can now embed it into our website, specifically in WordPress. Just click this embed on website button. And from here, it requires us to select our website builder, and in our case, it is WordPress, and we're going to select it. And now this pop up, which is an instruction or a step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our WordPress, and we are going to follow it. First, we're going to copy the code. Now, going to the WordPress. In here, if you want to put your feed into an existing page, you can put it there, or you can put it into a new page. And in our case, we're going to put it into our new page. We're going to add a title first. So the title is LinkedIn page events, and we're going to add a block, and that block is custom HTML. And all we have to do now is paste the code. That is basically it. All you have to do now is publish it, and you can now view the page, or you can first preview it so you can see how it looks like, and you can change, and you can go back to the SociableKIT and change some or minimal details. And now, as you can see, that this is our feed. You can now publish it and view it so we can fully see what it looks like into a new page in WordPress. Here it is. As you can see, here is our LinkedIn page events. And now, everything that we change or we customize or moderated is saved in here. From the themes, the font family, the list view, or the masonry, and so on. And that is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.